21st April, Sunday. Now the time is about to 12 o'clock. We are on the way to Narendranagar. Our elder sister, Dr. Manjulekha Chatterjee's house. We will join in our Banerjee family, exclusively sister and brothers. My beloved Rajarajeshwar is now calling.
No.
You tell something, Udanshu?
No.
We are now crossing Central Avenue, right from Behala Jayasri Park to Narendranagar, near Dunlop Bridge, BT Road, 22 kilometers total distance. We will celebrate our Banerjee family exclusively get together of sisters and brothers of Banerjee. I will love to have my small video clip while we will be reaching Narendranagar, Dr. Manjudi's house. Thank you. This was my short video. Now I love to show. This is Central Avenue. Now we are crossing Mahajati Sadan, ancient building, auditorium, Mahajati Sadan.